In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any additional user profile on Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. So just click on this profile icon. Now click on Manage Profile Settings. So you will see a list of profiles which you created before. So if you want to remove any profile, just click on these three dots, then click on Remove. Remove this profile. This will permanently delete browsing data such as favorites, history, and password from this device. So if you are sure, so just click on remove profile. That's it. Thanks for watching. By this quick method, we can know how to remove user profile in Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. Thanks for watching.